This 5-minute solution will show you how to uninstall Steam games. First of all, launch your Steam and sign into your account. Then click on Library. And here you will get all of your games. And right now I will uninstall this An Arcade Full of Cats game. So I'm going to right clicking on this game and hover over on Manage and click on Browse Local Files. And here you will get the game files. And now here you have to select the common folder, and this is the game file. And now again right click on the game, click on Manage and click on Uninstall. Click on Uninstall. Once it's uninstalled, open your file manager and select the game folder, and also you have to delete the game folder. And this is how we can uninstall games on Steam. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.